Kumar, so I wanted to ask you about the business and the need for surveys to have what sort of role you guys play in the feedback loop for brand marketers to understand how effective their work is.
Yeah, at the end of the day, we really bring customer intelligence to brand marketers, to advertisers, to agencies. And the way we do that is we let them actually ask questions to their target audiences, and so that they can actually make better product decisions, better business decisions, and better marketing decisions.
So tell us a bit about the platform and why it's unique.
Yeah, the platform started out really servicing market researchers. So imagine that you're a market researcher at Coca-Cola and you're trying to figure out the next food to make, right? The next breakfast food to make. Well, you can come onto our platform and ask a target audience that question and all the attributes for that question, and then we can find people to actually answer those questions so that the market researcher can then go do the work that they need to go do at Coca-Cola. But we've taken ad tech principles of programmatic and applied that to the market research space.
So who are the folks that, if you get an assignment from Coca-Cola, is it their customers through their own first party, or how do you identify the proper panel?
Yeah, so we let the market researcher actually identify the proper panel. That's how it works.
So is it their database, or is it sort of a demographic, or how do you come up with the folks to survey?
Yeah, we have actually a suite of suppliers that have panels that the market research can access, and it is based on demographic information. The coolest part that we're doing is actually we're taking that idea, the power of being able to ask a question and get a response, and we're applying it to really the new frontier, which is audience data quality. So if we get a list of people, if a marketer gets a list of people that are meant to be NASCAR dads, we can use the power of the platform to really understand how many people on that list are actually NASCAR dads.
So this is probably hard to answer what the interests are of brand marketers and surveys, but give us sort of a scope of the kinds of things that marketers want to know, and the surveys that you guys have, the kind of the scope of them from a content standpoint.
Yeah, I mean, it's infinite, right? The amount of questions that people want to ask, it's really, I think the larger way to look at this is we're making the world's unknown information known.
How do you mean? Could you explain that?
Yeah, so right now, if you think about Google, they've indexed the world's information. When we think about customers, or when we think about the next product a company is going to make, they need to be able to ask the potential customer what that should be. And that's an unknown thing. And because of our platform, you can actually ask those questions to the target audience to better inform your product decision or your marketing decision or your business strategy decision.
Great. And what's next for you guys?
Well, we're really focused on really helping marketers understand audience data quality. So if you look at currently front-end metrics in marketing are really around click-through rates and engagement rates, we think the power really lies within identifying the right audience. So we're using this power of our platform to let brand marketers, advertisers, agencies, anyone really, to be able to test whether the audience that they're actually trying to talk to is the audience that they want to talk to.